Okay, the scripting feature in Stellarium is really powerful, but it's also not very well documented, so I thought I'd give you a quick video showing you how to use it. It's relatively straightforward. You don't need to do a whole lot, but there are a few things and some weirdnesses in the key commands that you'll have to know. When you wake up Stellarium, it's going to come up in a picture kind of like this. You're going to see basically what things look like today. In other words, right now, as I said, you can see it's roughly 5 in the afternoon. You can move it around, the screen around as necessary by clicking and dragging and all the rest. To load up a script, though, what you're going to have to do is you're going to press F12, and that's going to bring up the scripting interface. And excuse me for 1 second while I do something to make that work properly. You'll now see the script console window, and this has a couple of things. You have some buttons over here on the right for load and save and trash. The only ones you need here on the left is on the load, and then on the right you have play and stop. Those are really the only buttons you need. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and hit the load button, and you're going to go ahead and load up one of the scripts that I sent you. For example, we'll do Sun Zodiac for right now, and this will load the script up in the script console. And you don't have to do anything with the script itself. You just have to hit the play button, and once you've done that, the script will go ahead and run automatically. And it will show you whatever I'm trying to get across to you in the class or something like that. This is going to be very similar to what I'm showing you in the other students in the planetarium. It's basically the same material. I just had to do it within a different type of software here. So in any case, this script will run for about anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute, depending on exactly what I'm trying to show you. So generally you can let it run. In the script console window itself, you can hit the stop button at any point. But for the most part, you won't have to. Just let it run. It will stop at an appropriate point, and then you can go ahead and move to the next frame. Now, in this case, the next frame, and this is the strange thing about Stellarium, the next frame or the unpause key is Control D. In other words, hold Control down, hit D, and then release Control and hit R. So it's Control D, R, and that will move you to the next frame of the script. So Control D, R. Why they did this, I have no idea, but this is the way it is, and this is the way it works. So as you go through, just keep hitting that, and that will go ahead and show you each individual frame of the animation that I have. So we'll talk about each of these things as they go along. Once you are done, you can go ahead and open up a new script by using the load button on the script console window again, or you can go ahead and just shut Stellarium down either way. So this is how you go ahead and use it. If you have any questions about it, give me a shout. And as I said, I look forward to talking to you all about this